Product components. Installation tool. Blackboard unpacked for board appearance inspection. Check for scratches and dings. If there is any cosmetic damage, take photos and feedback before installation. Check quantity of accessories. Take the blackboard with the locking holes and install the pulleys. No need to distinguish between left and right pulleys. Fix the upper and rear side pulleys to be fully riveted. Install blackboard slide and secure with rivets. Assemble the outer frame and outer frame corner and use rivets to fix it. Assembly of the outer frame is complete. Push the sliding plates into the corresponding chute. Rivet the chalkboard perimeter frame. Take 2 fixed boards and place them on both sides of the board next to the edge. Each inner plate is fixed with 4 Z pieces. Connect the Z part bevel to the inner plate. The other side is connected to the frame. Lock installation should remove the lock ring first. Put the lock hole on the front of the blackboard, and use the tool to push the 4 corners flat. Locks and connectors are drilled with 4.2 twist drill and fixed with rivets. Cut the corners of the plastic frame appropriately according to the thickness of the smartboard. Measurement of the brackets drilling position according to the size of the blackboard and the smartboard. Hole drilling with 12 diameter drill bit. Put in expansion plugs after drilling. Use tools to evenly position and fix the 6 supports. Mounting the blackboard on the wall requires multiple people to work together. Place a plate on the top or bottom side of the smartboard. Self-tapping screws on both sides of the baffle. Fix support parts in the middle of the baffle to prevent shaking. The blackboard is secured to the 6 brackets using self-tapping wire. The dust box should be aligned with the dust hole and fixed with screws. Door handle mounted below the lock. Both sides require the same vertical height. Put the cap on. Install the middle limit to the center of the blackboard border. Push the blackboard to about 5 mm from the edge of the smartboard and mark the position. Fix the limit gears with screws on each side in the border slot on the blackboard. Place the side seals on both sides of the blackboard near the wall and fix them. After the installation is completed, the push-pull and firmness of the blackboard should be self-checked. Cleaning of the site. Delivery acceptance on site.